Understanding Manual Payments, a Simple Guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of manual payments. This is a common term in finance and business, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you in simple terms. A manual payment refers to a transaction where the payment process is initiated and completed by a person, rather than automatically by a system. This can include methods like cash payments, checks, or bank transfers that you initiate yourself. It's the traditional way of making payments before the era of digital automation. Let's look at some common examples. 1. Paying rent with a check. Here, you write and deliver a check to your landlord. 2. Bank wire transfers. You go to the bank and request a transfer of funds to another account. 3. Cash transactions. Paying for goods in a store with cash. These examples help illustrate how manual payments are part of our daily lives. Understanding the difference is crucial. Manual payments are controlled by individuals and require active involvement. Automated payments, like recurring billing, happen without direct human intervention, typically on a scheduled basis. Knowing when to use each type can make your financial management more effective. Advantages. Control. You have complete control over the payment timing and amount. Flexibility, useful in situations where automated payments are not feasible. Disadvantages. Time-consuming, it takes more effort and time than automated methods. Risk of errors. Manual entry increases the risk of mistakes. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of manual payments. Remember, understanding different payment methods can greatly enhance your financial literacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.